Hello coffee lovers, I am Mark. This is day 14 of the 30-day box experience. Today I'm gonna be brewing the Ethiopia Guji Noble Winey process G1. It's a Noble Winey natural process Heirloom varietal. This coffee has a flavor profile of Passionfruit, blueberries, and candy. So today I'm gonna be using an espresso machine and I'm gonna be making a flat white. So I'm gonna be using 18 grams of coffee to 40 grams of water. And now it's done, it's time to enjoy a good cup. Always remember that your best coffee is the coffee that suits you. Feel free to share with us your brewing method and experience with this coffee. Cheers! Don't stop brewing.